Κυρίες και κύριοι, kalispera. Today we're going to make a BLT burger. No, not a hamburger, a BLT burger. Let's begin. You'll need iceberg lettuce, a tomato, hamburger bun, an American cheese, mayonnaise, and a 1-inch thick Canadian bacon. We'll need a pan, medium to high heat, so we can start toasting our hamburger buns. As soon as the hamburger buns are golden brown, remove them and add the bacon. Carry on medium to high heat. The bacon will take 4 minutes on each side, roughly 8 minutes altogether. Every minute or 2 minutes, I like turning it and seeing how it's doing, because don't forget, it's an inch thick bacon. It is quite thick. After 8 minutes, it should have a nice dark crust to it. Then you know it's ready. Τώρα θα χρειαστείς a nice juicy tomato. 1 or 2 thick slices should be fine. Now we peel a couple of pieces from the iceberg lettuce. Now let's start building the BLT burger. Let's put the bottom bun down. We add the 1-inch thick Canadian bacon. On top of that, we put American cheese. A nice thick, juicy piece of tomato. Two pieces of iceberg lettuce. And 1 big tablespoon of mayonnaise on top of the bun. And this is my famous BLT burger. Καλή σας όρεξη!